Hi guys, welcome to the Tackle Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. The basic installation setup of Windows 7, 10 and 11 are the same, and just after the installation, the configuration setting is bit different for each. So in this video I'm going to install the Windows 7 in this my old PC. So let's start. First of all, I have to insert a bootable USB. In this, the procedure of making a bootable USB, I have already the, the procedure of making a bootable USB, I have mentioned the link in my description. So now attach the bootable USB to the system, and this is the Dell PC. So I will press F12 to go to the boot setting, and now select the CD-ROM and USB option. I will select CD-ROM. This, now press any key and wait. It will take some time. Now go next. If you want to change your language and keyboard setting, you can select any of the option, or just go next. Now I will select the Windows 7 Ultimate. Now I have to delete the both drives, the C drive, Windows drives, and the drives which have the reserved, which have the system reserved, and click next. And now you have to wait. Now the Windows will automatically install. During this installation, it will boot several times, so you have to wait and nothing to do. Now you can see Windows has been installed in this PC. The same procedure of installation Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11 are the same, and after this you have configuration setting for your PC is bit different, like language, keyboard. Now I will select a username to set my PC. I will select triple A and not to select the password. Now you can select the time. You can select. Now you can select the country for time setting. Now you can see the installation has been completed and the system is ready to run.